Good morning. Normally there are horses in the pasture. Now something else. Deers. And there comes the sun. Pete, Glendy, and Daisy. Hello. One white hair over there. Oh no. And it's time to ride Tyrone again. And just like 2 days ago, he's a bit frisky. Hey jongen. And also because of Sissy. Tyrone thinks Sissy is very scary. This is Glendy. And there is Maren. She's going to brush Daisy now. And I'm here with Peach. And the only thing Peach is doing is this. So we learned it her, but now she never stops. Cheese. Goed zo, Daisy. You good, Maren?
Ja.
Goed zo. Good morning. What happened? Hey, Daisy. Dat doe maar. Oké. Peach. Goed zo. Oké. Don't know what happened. Hey. Glendy en Peach. Oh. Rijntje en Dolly. Sally, Reisy and Tyrone. And over there, my father is working on the house. And the horses think, oh no, that's scary. The fillies. Salt. Yveske is coming and Bella has to go away. Boukje.
Cheese. 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 Cheese.
Je lees je maar wat op de grond, Taya. Nee. Dat is juist te vallen.
Maar je krijgt cheese die.
Ja, zet CSD in. Oké, dank je.
Ik heb niet ik hoeven, ik ben ik maar een boer.
Ja,
Maar ik hoef het ook wel goed.
ja. Deze doet het super en Dodo is het helemaal goed.
Die krijgt cheese.
Goed zo, ja.
Kom.
Yveske
Cheese.
en Boukje.
Cheese. Cheese.
Hey, Tije
Hij klikt op nu.
en Tyrone.
Ik heb recommendation.
Ja, oh, dat hebben we net eens gefilmd. We didn't film it, but he was riding Daisy. But Tyrone. And there, oh, that's Reisy, but there is always his halter and his rope. And he always gets it and throw it into the stall. So now it's broken. His beautiful halter broken. Maybe we have an old one. Which one? Okay. Do you like the color? Okay. I think it's perfect for a gelding.
Hallo, hallo, hallo. Wow, wat een bekinder. Dit is een beautiful. Hoi Daisy, zo ben ik in de film. Baby is lekker aan het winkelen. Toby is lekker aan het winkelen. Echt heel leuk dat ze Dobe stiest. Dat is heel erg leuk. Dat is Daisy. Einde verhaal. Doei. Cheese. Cheese.
Hey Sally. Oh. Hey. Goed zo, Bella. Goed zo. Terug. Doe maar. Brave. Goed zo. Oh, Glendy. Bella just want to look at you. Hey, Blomke. Goed zo. Brave, hè? Nou, terug. Terug. Nee. Terug. Terug. Hallo? Goed zo. Hey. Hallo. Sally. Rijntje. En Dolly. And they are separated for, well, half of the day. And now I bring them together again. First Sally, Rijntje, and Dolly. But she has to wait. Stop. Okay. Tyrone, where is your halter? Where it is? Hey, Daisy. Oh. Okay, Tyrone got the halter and gave it to Reisi. And now I saw a rope. It's broken. Thank you. Oh. Oh. Why? Okay, I think I know why. I think they didn't like pink. No. Do you like it? Well, it's a bit gross now. Sorry. Have to clean it. And I have to look where the other side is. What's up? And every evening, when it's necessary, I put on this. Well, I don't think it helps, but maybe it gets better. There it is. Oh, Peach. Really, every time when I'm going to Peach, she's doing this. Cheese! What? Cheese! No? Except for now, when I'm asking. Cheese! Sit on. Cheese! Cheese? What? Cheese! Good job. Cheese! Mandy and Daisy. And they can eat the grass over here. It's not a lot, I know. Please, stop. Cheese! Wat doe je nou, Tije?
Ik zit op deze.
Is dat dan beter bij te poetsen?
Deze beweegt net zo.
Nee. Nou, prima dag. Nee, Daisy. Leuk?
Ja.
Piet, Tyrone en Reisi. Cheese. Doe maar, Rijtje. Oh. Hey, I think they are in love. They like you. Ooh. Hey, Rijtje. And that's Silke. And the horses can't go out. Because... Dan moet ik net vallen. Dan hebben we een leuke video. Yeah. Because it's very slippery everywhere. Daisy, Glendy, Rijssie. Nou, doe maar in de box. Doe maar. In de box. Hey Peach. Kom op, in de box. Hallo? Oh. Of course. Peach? Yveske for the second time with a single, a girth. Goed zo. Okay, that was Boukje. She was inside the trailer. Blomke en Belle. What is Blomke doing? Yveske. Boukje. Hey, Boukje. Hello. Oh, sorry, I don't have anything. Goed zo, braaf. Hoi. Hey, donut. Kom maar. No. Zitten. Kom maar, Blomke. Goed zo. Kom maar. Kom maar. Braaf. Hey, Yveske. Hey. Kom maar. There's Bella. Hey, en Blomke en Boukje. Oh no. No. Boukje terug. Kom maar Bella. Kom maar Bella. Nee, Boukje. Oké. Yveske? Kom maar. Goed zo, Yveske. No. Yveske is still a bit afraid. You're not. Hey. Oké, Boukje is in de box. Hey Belle. Goed zo. Braaf. Goed zo. Goed zo, Belle. Hey Yveske. Kom maar. Kom Yveske. Kom maar. No. Hey Belle. Hey Blomke. Goed zo, Yveske. Hey. Goed zo. Braaf. Kom maar. No. Hey, Belle. Goed zo, braaf. Oh, Yveske. That's mean. Yveske, kom maar. Hey, kom maar. Braaf. Kom maar. Hey. No. Kom maar, Blomke. Well, this afternoon they were on the trailer this morning. Silke that helped me. And maybe tomorrow we try again.